Is your plant safe from cyber attacks? Manufacturing facilities now face escalating cyber threats. Every day, cyber criminals target operational technology systems at petrochemical plants, oil refineries, and pharmaceutical factories. They strike where it hurts most, at the core of industrial operations. Traditional safety assessments no longer cut it. Cyber attacks can lead to catastrophic plant shutdowns, raging fires, violent explosions, and toxic chemical releases that endanger lives and the environment. This growing danger exposes critical vulnerabilities in systems once believed secure. In today's industrial landscape, reliability and safety cannot be taken for granted. The rapid digital evolution meets traditional processes, creating risks that demand urgent action. Yet there is hope. A dedicated OT cybersecurity risk assessment can shield your facility. Safety begins with security. Protect your facility before irreversible damage occurs. Act now to secure tomorrow. Join the Abhisam OT Cybersecurity and IEC 62443 with Risk Assessment Workshop in Mumbai on the 27th and 28th November 2025.